The seagulls are very threatened by the drone. They're kind of dive bombing it. Oh boy. Hey everybody, it's your guy Dave. Guess what? I'm in California today. Newport Beach to be exact. It's in the outskirts of Los Angeles, and today meeting a group of friends and we're gonna go paddleboarding. I've not gone paddleboarding for a few years now. I don't even remember the last time I went. And pretty much none of the rest of us have gone before, so this will be exciting. Let's do the thing. So this is Newport. This is kind of the marina that's kind of in a bay here. The water's pretty calm and flat, so it's like the perfect conditions to go paddleboarding. I just hope the water's not too cold in case I have an unfortunate event. YouTube world, we have other YouTubers here. This is my friend Karina. Her channel's Karina's World. Welcome to my world, Karina.
Thank you.
And we have Allison and Eric from
The Endless Adventure.
The Endless Adventure.
Hey guys.
Yes. My friend Todd, you've seen him in my videos before from Ireland. Have you ever done this before?
I have not ever done this before.
How do you feel about it?
You know, I'm feeling like I really don't want to get wet, so fingers crossed it goes well.
Okay, perfect. You are okay right now.
Nice knowing you, girl.
Well, this is pretty pleasant. Pretty easy on my knees. I think I'm gonna try standing. How you doing? Here comes a wake. Clench the cheeks. Clench the cheeks. Ooh. It's a game of chicken. Oh geez. Oh geez. That was almost bad. You did it! Woo! So we just stopped for a little break on this dock here. It's a little difficult with the wind and the tide going out. We were kind of fighting it the whole time because as soon as we made it, 50 yards this way, we got blown back 100 yards that way. So yeah, that's been interesting to deal with. But yeah, now that we're upwind and up current, I think we can almost just lie back and just drift back to where we are. Okay, at it again. Pretty pleasant out here, actually. Since nothing crazy exciting happened here, I think I'm gonna make my own little excitement. That was my fun for the day. This water is cold. So a good time was had paddleboarding. Now we're just standing around wondering what to do next. This is how we do things. This is how we decide things. We all look at our phones. Am I right?
Yeah.
We're trying to find cheap beer.
Yay! Thank you guys for watching. Check out my friends because they're awesome. Like the video if you like it, you know. All right.
Smash that like button. Smash it. I don't know how you do that. I've never done it, but I bet you guys know.
Of course they do. Because they're all smart and lovely people. Love you guys. Take care.